what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we're out here at the Southern 4-wheel drive Dixie Run. Yesterday was a washout, so didn't really hit a lot of trails that were video worthy. It rained all day, has rained all day thanks to the hurricane. So we got a pretty good group behind us. We're gonna go hit 35 and something else after that, and then sometime today we're hitting 15. I hit 15, so today is Saturday. I hit 15 Wednesday and winched up it, the last portion of it. There was a lot more circumstances than I was willing to break my Jeep for, so I had to stay not broke until today. So, but I don't have to today, so there's that. Yeah, so we're gonna get out here, we're gonna have a good time, and yeah, y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Randall did. That's what I was thinking, but okay. Well, we are on our second turnaround. Yeah. So my app showed I was on the right trail. I'm not. So yeah, second turnaround. But hey, what's an adventure without a turnaround or two here or there? So, and this trail is not like, it's not marked off the road. So it's literally you cross the creek, and I've crossed the creek twice and it's been wrong twice. So I'll take the blame. So this is pretty washed out. So we're not even to the rock crawl yet up here. Well, it'll be more like a mud bounce today. But yeah, so this spot right here is gonna pour that rear tire down, and gets a little catchy. Just stay moving. Yep, just stay moving. Keep your momentum, it'll carry you through it. No, where you're at's good. Keep going, straighten up. There you go, don't stop. Yep. Stay rolling, don't stop. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. There you go, nice. How was that?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe it. I'm sideways.
Yeah, so turn a little bit passenger.
Little passenger.
And then just stay in this rut up to behind me. Don't go all the way up. Just get where you're straightened out, and then give me a chance to get moving again.
Buttholes in my throat. Buttholes in my throat.
Straighten up just a little bit. There you go. All right. Back off just a little bit.
Okay.
So you got that tire hung up on that rock. So back up, just back up. Now turn more towards the wall. Come back to me. kind of same thing with them. What are y'all doing? Having a party?
You said we were gonna be fine.
You are fine. Hey, back. So the key to this is keep your tires close to that wall as you can. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Alright. Alright, back up. Hold on. Oh. Back up. Back up, driver. Turn your wheel, driver. You're on a rock right here. Keep coming back. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. Alright, right there. Turn to me when you start coming up. No, because it's on your shock tower. So what I'm trying to do is work this back tire over to me. So the back tire is going to be high. It's going to tip you that way. So how much can you back up?
You can go another. I need to turn more this way. Go another way.
All right, back up. Let me know when. All right, now turn to me. Not quite that much. About right there. And give her a good little bump. You're all right. I've seen 35s do this trail. All right, so kind of the same thing with him, this big rock right here. So back up, driver. You got like 2 feet. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, now turn passenger. Yep, there you go. Give her a little bit. Man, this rock is just causing all kinds of problems. Yeah. What I might do once they get through is move that rock here. Move that big rock right there. Oh, back up. Oh, come on. you're gonna sit back. So what I'm gonna do is grab a log and throw it in this hole right here. And that should give you just enough bounce to get up and everything. Straight back. You're good. You ain't got nothing to like this. Alright, hold right there. Stay in it. Stay in it. Turn to me. Turn to me. You're trying to, you've got like this much to climb right here. All right, turn this way. Everybody, so made it through pretty much the hardest part of the trail. Got everybody behind me, everybody's in one piece, nobody, knock on wood, has broken anything. So yeah, so we're just out here and enjoying the day, this nice rainy day. Alright everybody, well we completed 35 mostly, so there was some down trees in some areas and we couldn't exactly finish the trail 100%. So now we've had lunch, and we're now dropping into 41, or well, down 26 over to Trail 41. So appreciate everybody continuing to watch, and yeah, it's still raining. Still raining, so it's gonna be fun. You're good. Just hold the bank. Turn, start turning. Turn to me. There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yep. Now straighten up. Straighten up. Yep. Now turn to me. Yep. Just like that. Alright guys, so at the end of every Southern event, they have a raffle. So they have tons of companies donate stuff, do a raffle, you buy tickets for it. It goes back to support Southern to help them keep trails open, help keep parts open, everything like that.
If you are in the area, yes sir. Big round of applause for Jack, long-time Southern member.
All right, everybody. So wonderful time at Dixie Run. So this is Sunday. It is currently like 4:30. Zach, why haven't you left Windrock yet? Let me tell you. So me and all my genius, and yeah, I lost the keys to my truck. So with that, I have been here all day. So why don't you just take the Jeep and go get your spare keys? Thought about that. Was driving down the road and that thing has death wobble so bad I can't get above 30. So I made an emergency phone call to my dad. Big shout out to you, thank you, to bring me my spare keys. So I've been sitting here waiting. So as soon as he gets here, I get loaded up, head back to the house, start editing this video. So I want to thank everybody for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure you like, subscribe, and follow, and we'll see y'all in the next one. See y'all.